Ever wondered how AI could help us spot fake news, untangle complex debates, or even expose biases in online arguments? It's not magic. It's something called argument mining, and it's getting a major upgrade thanks to big AI models. Let's break down how this tech is evolving and why it matters. So what's argument mining? Think of it like teaching a computer to play detective. Instead of looking for clues in a crime scene, it's searching through text, videos, or social media to find claims, the key statements people make, and then track the evidence behind them. For example, if someone says, "Vaccines are unsafe," the AI would flag that claim and look for supporting data or lack thereof. But here's the catch. Traditional methods were slow, error-prone, and basically stuck in the manual work era. Then came large language models, LLMs, the same AI that powers chatbots like ChatGPT. These models are rewriting the rules. How? One big leap is prompt engineering, basically teaching AI to think step by step. Imagine giving a student a complex math problem and guiding them through it with questions. LLMs can now do this too, using chain-of-thought reasoning to unpack arguments. For instance, instead of just saying, "This claim is false," the AI might walk through why the evidence doesn't add up. It's like having a digital debate coach. But it's not all smooth sailing. Researchers are still tackling huge challenges. Can AI handle long, complicated texts without getting lost? How do we make sure its reasoning is transparent, not a black box? And with so much data online, how do we train models without letting biases or fake info creep in? These are the questions driving the field forward. New tools are helping. Datasets like ADEA, a collection of AI ethics debates, and MARG, which combines audio and text to study how tone shapes arguments, are giving AI smarter training. And innovations like Claim Hunter track real-time debates on platforms like Twitter, while others analyze videos to spot misleading claims in TikTok clips. It's like giving AI a multi-sensory brain. The future. Imagine AI that can summarize legal documents, fact-check misinformation, or even help students learn critical thinking. But here's the key: LLMs aren't magic. They need careful design, diverse data, and a deep understanding of how humans argue. As this field grows, it's not just about smarter AI. It's about tools that help us think more clearly in a world full of complexity. So next time you see an AI fact-checker or a debate summary, remember, this research is paving the way for tech that's not just powerful but persuasive in the right way. Stay curious, and let's keep exploring the future of AI together. Hey everyone, welcome back. Ever wonder how AI is getting better at understanding arguments, spotting fake news, or even helping lawyers? Today, we're diving into the cutting-edge tools making this possible, and why it matters to you. Let's start with a real-world example. Imagine scrolling through a video that claims this new drug cures cancer. How do you know if that's true? Enter ViClaim, a 2025 tool that trains AI to spot claims in videos, like a detective hunting for misinformation. It's not just about flagging lies, it's about teaching machines to see what people are really arguing. But how do you teach AI to understand those arguments? That's where ARIES comes in. This 2024 benchmark helps AI map out how one point supports or contradicts another, like a roadmap for debates. Think of it as a brainy friend who can say, "Wait, this argument relies on that study, which actually contradicts the first claim." Now let's talk legal battles. A paper called ARG LegalSum is like a personal assistant for lawyers. Instead of just summarizing words, it highlights the arguments, the real meat of a court case. It's like having a highlighter that points out the key fights in a 100-page document. But here's the big challenge. AI can analyze arguments, but can it understand them? That's where QANA 2024 steps in. It's like a debate coach for machines, using large language models to generate questions and test how strong an argument really is. Want to know if a claim holds up? QANA's got your back. So why does this matter? Picture this: AI fact-checking news in real time, or legal systems catching biased reasoning before it's too late. These tools aren't just code, they're building a smarter, fairer world. But how do they work? Let's break it down. Researchers are using counterfactual training to fight bias. It's like giving AI a what-if lens. What if this argument was made by someone from a different background? By forcing machines to consider alternative perspectives, they become less biased. Then there's stance detection, figuring out if someone supports, opposes, or is neutral about a claim. A 2024 study taught AI to do this, while also summarizing arguments. Imagine an AI that doesn't just say, "This is pro-environment," but also distills the core points into a clear summary. Talk about a game changer. From detecting claims in videos to dissecting legal arguments, this field is reshaping how we interact with information. The next time you encounter AI-driven analysis, remember, it's not just about processing data. It's about building tools that help us navigate a world where clarity and critical thinking are more important than ever. Stay curious, and let's keep exploring the future of AI together.